Namaskar. Good morning. First of all, it's warm welcome to all of you to attending this 5th National Stars Forum Conference. Stars Forum is like a skill training for advancement of rural society. And we are meeting for, this is for the 5th year we are meeting. It all starts, I will just give you introduction how it starts and what is the objective of the Stars Forum. There are many people who are attending the Stars Forum like in the past also, but there are few basically who are attending for the first time. And I expect many people they are on the way. Pune is basically, at present we are experiencing a winter, and so basically the people are still basically coming, but we decided to start on time so that we can have our proceedings in time without delay. It all starts in 2009-10 and during that we were discussing कि there was a lot of discussion going on about skill training for the organized sector. Industry के लिए manpower कैसे तैयार करें, skill training for the automobile, construction, various industries. And nobody was talking about the skill requirement for the rural society, for the rural development. We were experiencing the shortfall of the manpower even in rural areas. And some of us were really believing, like we still believe basically, that there is a lot of work to be done, development work to be done in our rural areas. और ये सब डेवलपमेंट के काम करने के लिए हमें काफ़ी ताकत चाहिए, काफ़ी मैनपावर चाहिए, and we need to train our youth to develop our rural areas. And there was nobody was discussing those who were discussing their voice was very weak. And so some of my friends we just were discussing among ourselves what to do, what to make so that our voice will get heard. The skill training for the rural development, for the advancement of the rural society. And so we started with the first conference. We decided to come together, discuss about the idea. And then we start with our first conference. Is it okay? Okay. In 2010, but I think 2011, we first have our first conference. And it was only with 28 people, 28-30 people. We met in a small hall. And we decided to form a forum, a platform, where we can exchange our ideas. We can discuss about the best practices in skill training, the people who work on various technologies for creating livelihood for the marginalized community in the rural areas. तो इन सब के बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे, बाकी लोगों से सीखेंगे और देश भर में जो प्रयोग हो रहे हैं, there are many people doing innovative works in all over the country. हमने सोचा कि हम उन लोगों को साथ में बुलाएंगे, उनको बताएंगे कि हमसे बात करें. We will learn from their best practices and we try to implement those practices in our own work. And so we started assembling together once a year. So first conference happened, then second conference with again increase in strength. And that's how there were 4 conferences. Many speakers joined us. We learned from them. There are many success stories. Even from Vivekananda Kendra sir, we adopted the Dr. Pillai from Vivekananda Kendra. He taught us in one of the conference about the Azola. And we learned from him. He gave us a culture. And today I can say at least I know at least 30-40 organizations which started cultivating Azola. So there are many exchanges, we exchanges about the skill training happened. Some of the members exchanged the various schemes, they collaborated to conduct some training programs. We shared our resources, the educational resources, manuals, notes, books. And so it started happening. And then we realized, yes, there is a need for this kind of forum where the people who are working in the skill training, it's on the desktop. It's on the desktop. Desktop पर जा. Oh, different laptop. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. I will continue. So we decided to form basically the forum was formed with the objective to have a the platform where the objective of the STAR forum is not to conduct program itself, but to support the member with the common platform. Yes. Okay, just go with the slide, first slide. Slide show. Go to the next. Yeah, so these were the back. So these were the 5 conferences we had. And this is the 5th time we are meeting. Next, please. So this is our mission statement. We decided in one of our conference. It's to basically to serve as a collaborative body of mutual support of those engaged in the vocational skill training, facilitate advance in this field, and promote innovative approaches to reach larger needy population. So that was the mission with which it was started. Next, please. And we define the goals, what the STAR forum will do. It will basically serve as a resource for mutual benefit of individual and NGOs working in the field, this field. It's a platform for a dialogue. It's to share ideas and outcome and best practices. So it's a very selective gathering, we called it. Facilitate networking to know each other. So you will find like there are a lot of slots in our conference timing for mutual exchanges, for networking. And we expect all of you to basically have that dialogue. We encourage the young workers in this field, the advocacy with curriculum, with certification, to achieve minimum standard of the quality of instruction. So there is always a critique, like we need to have some quality of instruction given to the our trainees by the organization. So as a collaborative body, we'll see like we are ensuring the minimum standard of instructions will give to our beneficiaries or our target audience. And last important is the facilitate advance in the field. So whatever the new things are there, we will try to adopt it. So in last 1 year, next please, we started with a newsletter. Some of you might be receiving it and some of will start getting it regularly now. So every quarter we publish some of the good practices. It's an e-newsletter. So we share with our members some of the new ideas, government scheme. We try to disseminate this information with the member of the STARS forum. We made a static web page last year, website of the STARS forum. And now soon basically it's almost ready now. There is some technical issue, so it is not live. Otherwise, we form a portal now. It's a starforum.org, and which will be the main platform for us to exchange the ideas, where we can find all our resources. We can post our queries. We can get the solution, especially the livelihoods for the different opportunity in the livelihood sector, the skill training opportunities, the new skill training areas, the content required for that, and the experts available. Even we believe the resources like the expert, we can share them basically, we can take benefit of them. So this is what the STAR portal will be, and it will be live soon basically. Maybe by the time the conference ends, it might be go live. You can see that basically. Next please. Next please. So quickly, what we are going to expect in these 2 days when we are together. I am very thankful to basically all the eminent speakers who basically honor our request and they came over here, traveled long distances. They are all from different part of the country, from Shimla to Kanyakumari. So we expect basically you to basically learn from these speakers. They are doing very excellent work. We want basically to get benefited from their learning. So we expect you to take an active part in the discussion. There are very few speakers because we want it to be it's a discussion forum, it's a platform. So it's not that there will be a lecture after lecture. It's not a routine conference, it's a networking conference. So there is a lot of time basically for a discussion. So after every speaker who will introduce some topic, we expect you to reflect on it, to share your work, share your ideas, whatever the practices you did in the similar kind of situation. So we all know each other very well at the end of the 2 days. So this is the idea. So we request you to participate openly, and we have to language is not a bar. We prefer to discuss हिंदी और हिंदी और इंग्लिश में रहेगा तो बेहतर रहेगा, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग मराठी नहीं जानते हैं. But if somebody want to please feel, we will help you to translate. And again, it's an informal forum, so be open basically about the critique and about suggestions, about new ideas. We welcome all of you basically. We want you to be a active member in this whole journey basically of the Stars Forum. Share the information and resources you have. We don't know what you have. We have experience like we got very well information about honeybee cultivation, about bamboo, about pottery, blacksmithy. We got many resources during the previous conferences, and it helped us basically to connect it afterwards. So many of us don't know each other basically by face to face or individually, but since we are collectively in the same hall, we want to know each other from their learning and from their experience. Next please. So there is a request for the speakers and those who are going to make a comments. Restrict yourself to the time limit. We want to going to have a video shooting of it, and we want to be at, it's like a 18 minutes of talk. So we can, it's like a TED talk is 18 minutes. TED is a very famous talk, and 18 minutes you can post it on the YouTube. You can post it on the video. So we want to have all talk of all the speakers onto the YouTube. If it become too long, then might be people will not able to basically, those who are not attending over here and want to learn from you may not able to basically go through long videos. So restrict yourself to 18 minutes so we can have your good presentation on the video basically. So that is a request. Make a pointer basically so that it will stimulate the discussion and we will have a active participation from the members. So that's the thing. Yeah, we want you to be for all sessions so that we can have the stimulated discussion. Next please. Yeah, so the Star Forum, it's after like, though we are there for last 5-6 years, we are struggling to, but it got registered 4 days back. So after long, so though basically from last 6-7 years, almost 6-7 years, this idea is floating around and we are gathering together informally. Star Forum got registered on 23rd of December as an entity, as a separate entity. Previously it used to be hosted by different organizations like Sevavardhini, Vigyan Ashram, Indian Institute of Education. But now Star Forum is a separate entity. So like MCCI, CII, FICCI or whatever is there, it is going to be it's more than that actually, because almost still 69% of our population lives in rural area. So it will represent that. So it will be a big forum. So the baby want to grow, and so we need your support basically and all inputs to make it grow basically, this idea grow. Next please. So these are the people basically who are a core team who are supporting us from last 5 years in various capacity, different organization. I will not take their name because they are part of the Star Forum, but I will just want to acknowledge, yes, they are actively supporting us through the journey and to make this Star Forum become an entity as such. Right, next please. Yeah. So once again, thank you very much for joining this Star Forum conference. I welcome you all. I want you to be a very pleasant stay over here and a mutual, very good discussion on the various topics. Thank you again. Thank you very much.